What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail on Clipchamp. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to the Clipchamp's website and then you need to sign in with your account. After that, when you have been redirected to the home page on the left side here, you can see a create new video. Click on this and then the editor window will open. And when the editor window is open, you need to click on import media and import the photo or video that you have liked. And when you have imported the photo, you can just drag and drop it here in the timeline. And after that, you want to add the text to your thumbnail. So on the left side, you can see this text option. Click on this and then choose the font or text style that you like. And after that, when you choose it, just simply drag and drop it here in the text line. And after that, just adjust it according to your wish and requirements. And after adjusting it, you can just copy and paste it, or you can just write the text that you want to write. And like this, you can write here in your uh, text design. And when you are done, you can just simply click wherever you want, and then you can adjust it according to your vision requirement and according to your image style. And after that, your thumbnail will be created. And from here, you can click on export and then export in whatever quality you'd like. And this is how you can make a YouTube thumbnail on Clipchamp. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.